Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to clear logs in Telegram. Clearing logs can help free up storage space and ensure a smoother experience within the app. We'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Ensure that you're logged in to your account. Step 2. In the top left corner of the app, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to access the main menu. Step 3. From the main menu, locate and tap on Settings. Scroll down until you find the section where the app's version is located. Step 4. Tap and hold on the app's version. After holding it for a moment, tap and hold on it again. This action will trigger the appearance of a menu called the Debug menu. Step 5. Within the Debug menu, locate and tap on Enable Logs. This will enable the logging feature in Telegram. Step 6. Finally, within the same Debug menu, tap on Clear Logs. This action will delete the logs stored in the app. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear logs in Telegram, freeing up storage space and optimizing the app's performance. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a clutter-free experience in Telegram.